Do you know what is Hexomatic AI tool? How it works? If you don't know about Hexomatic AI tool, then this video will give you a full guideline about it. So, welcome to our video explaining how Hexomatic AI tool works. Today, we will take you behind the scenes and show you the magic that brings this tool to life. Hexomatic AI tool utilizes advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to streamline your workflow. It's designed to make your life easier and save you valuable time. The tool works by automatically analyzing your data and detecting patterns and trends. It then uses this information to generate smart recommendations and predictions. Within seconds, Hexomatic AI tool can provide you with accurate insights, helping you make informed decisions. Whether you're a business professional, a researcher, or anyone who deals with data, this tool is a game changer. But how does it actually work? It all starts by importing your data into the tool. Hexomatic AI tool supports various formats, making it easy for you to get started. Once your data is loaded, the AI kicks into gear. It scans every data point, categorizes it, and identifies relationships. This powerful analysis allows the tool to understand the context and deliver precise results. Next, you can explore the generated insights through intuitive visualizations and easy-to-understand charts. Hexomatic AI tool ensures that complex data becomes accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. From sales forecasting to market analysis, Hexomatic AI tool handles it all. It empowers professionals across various industries to make data-driven decisions, unlocking hidden potential and boosting productivity. So, whether you're a beginner or an expert, Hexomatic AI tool guides you on your data exploration journey. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive look into Hexomatic AI tool's workflow. To access this powerful tool and discover the endless possibilities it offers, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make data your ally with Hexomatic AI tool.